This roast veggie pasta dish is rich, intense, and with only 5 ingredients, delightfully simple to make. It's great as a vegetarian main course, but goes well with almost any meat, fish, or plant-based protein you can think of. Start off by sprinkling the vegetables with smoked paprika. We've used Mediterranean veg, but throw in anything you like, it all comes out delicious. Roast in a hot oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And add the passata for the last 5 minutes of cooking. When it's ready, blitz half the veg and most of the basil in a food processor to make a smooth roast pasta sauce. This makes a great base for loads of dishes, so if you've got time, make extra and freeze it for another day. Combine the sauce and veggies with some cooked pasta. And as it's such a versatile dish, you could stir through some crispy tofu, cooked chicken, or warm bacon. Sprinkle with fresh basil and serve straight away.